Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Hellboy on Dress to Impress, or like just a devil. So for the makeup, I just did this, and then for the outfit, I just used this body plate, ab plate, I don't know. And then I also used this coat in brown as well as these shorts in brown, and I just did some boots. And then for the horns, I just used this one in the same color as my skin tone, and these are the adjustments that I used. For position, I did Y 0.47 and the Z at 0.55. For the rotation, I did X 0.20, and for the scale, I did 0.49. And that is pretty much it, really. I just also used the masculine hair, the buzz cut one, in the same color in red. But yeah, that is how you can create this on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.